Logical Volume Manager creates a flexible layer of abstraction over the physical storage. We have storage devices like disks, partitions, or ones. On top of those devices, we create LVM physical volumes. Physical volumes are added to a pool called volume group. Logical volumes can be created from the located space in the volume group, and then a file system can be created on each logical volume.
Let's keep it simple. 1.
We have one or more disk devices.
2.
We initialize them and add them to a volume group.
3.
We create logical volumes out of the volume group.
4.
On top of the logical volume, we create a file system. And that's it. But why use LVM instead of plain partitions? With LVM, a disk can be replaced without losing access to the file system. Striping can be set to increase performance by segmenting the data and utilizing multiple disks. Mirroring a logical volume can be used to protect your data in case of disk failure.
Oops.
Snapshots can be created in order to have point-in-time consistent state of your data.